Sony just announced its latest Sony ULT WEAR headphones, and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of it while performing a quick unboxing as well. So we will talk about its design, features, audio quality, battery life, noise cancellation and all of its pros and cons. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's start with the unboxing. On the front of the retail box, you will find a picture of the ULT WEAR headphone, and on the back you will find some of its hardware specs, as well as information that it comes with OK Google, built-in Alexa, it is made for iPhone and iPod, we got noise cancelling feature, and it is a special review unit not for sale. Once you open the retail box, inside you will find another box in which you will find a quick start guide, user manual, a free trial code for Sony's 360 reality audio, and a nice case inside which you will find your Sony ULT WEAR headphones, along with a 3.5mm aux cable and a USB Type-C cable to charge it. Talking about the design and build quality, the design of the ULT WEAR headphones is a bit generic. The headband provided is quite comfortable, and the same goes with the ear pads as well. They are quite soft, plush, comfortable and provide a very nice passive noise cancellation, and you can have hours of listening experience without facing any discomfort. The ULT WEAR headphones come with a foldable design, so it will take less space in your backpack as well as in the carrying case. The ULT button and the Sony branding comes with nice rainbow effect, and we got all of these slots and ports along with buttons on just left ear cup. All of the buttons on ULT WEAR headphones are placed perfectly, and you can use them easily without even looking at them. The touch sensor provided is on the right ear cup, and using which you can control the music, play, pause the music, you can switch between the next track or the previous track, and you can even launch the voice assistant to perform various commands using your voice. It also comes with a popular Sony headphones feature that allows you to listen the ambient sound quickly just by putting your hand on the right ear cup. It is a very useful feature, and using it you can talk to someone while listening music on Sony ULT WEAR headphones without pausing the music and removing the headphones. So actually, because of segregating the physical buttons on the left and all of the gesture based commands on the right side, it is really easy to control Sony's ULT WEAR headphones without any confusion or facing any issue. The provided case is of very nice quality. It provides solid protection to the ULT WEAR headphones, and it also comes with instruction that how to keep the headphones inside this case. Talking about the audio quality, this is the headphone especially designed for Bassheads. I believe the ULT in the name of the headphones means either ultimate or ultra, because it comes with a dedicated ULT button that increases the bass in the audio a lot. So once again, that is either ultra bass or the ultimate bass. As I said, the audio output of this headphone is bass dominated. When the ULT mode is not activated, you still get pretty good amount of bass, and that is the mode that you can use to listen all kinds of music. And if you want additional amount of bass, then you can just press the ULT button once to get deep low frequency bass, and if you want even more bass, then you can press it one more time to get the maximum amount of bass possible. So if you are a bass head, this is the perfect headphones for you. And if you like to listen all kinds of music, you can still use it just by not using the ULT mode, and if you want, you can even do some customization to make the audio more suitable to your ears. The Sony ULT WEAR headphones comes with Sony's integrated processor V1 that you will find in Sony's flagship 1000X series headphones, and it got an additional driver unit designed for ULT power sound that provides a huge resonating bass with great clarity. So even if you listen music on high volume, the bass will not be distorted, and you will totally enjoy every second of the music you are listening on Sony's ULT WEAR headphones. It also comes with active noise cancellation with dual noise sensor technology that, with the help of the integrated processor V1, provides a very nice noise cancellation on Sony ULT WEAR headphones. It suppresses majority of the ambient noise, so you will be able to enjoy listening music, watching movies, attending virtual meetings, or just using this headphone for noise cancellation purpose in your flights, public transportation, etc. There is a dedicated button provided to switch between the noise cancellation and the ambient sound mode. Talking about the battery life, it is also quite impressive on Sony ULT WEAR headphones, as you get around 30 hours of battery life with noise cancelling turned on and up to 50 hours of battery life if the noise cancellation is turned off. So that's quite impressive, and it also comes with fast charging capability, and just by charging it for 3 minutes you can get as much as 90 minutes of battery life. And if the battery is dead, you can use the 3.5mm aux cable to listen music on your Sony ULT WEAR headphones. The only thing is that you won't be able to use the noise cancellation as well as the ULT bass boost on your ULT WEAR headphones. It comes with auto play pause feature, so if you remove your ULT WEAR headphones while listening music, then the music will be paused, and once you put these headphones back, then the music will start playing once again, and it works perfectly every single time. Sony ULT WEAR headphone comes with multi-point connection, so you can connect two devices at the very same time and switch between them easily as well. It comes with adaptive sound control feature that detects your actions and location, and based on that make changes in the sound profile, whether to go with the noise cancellation or the ambient sound mode, etc. You can select the Bluetooth connection quality, whether you would like to prioritize the sound quality or the stable connection. You can select the best equalizer setting and the audio profile based on your preference. You can use any of the equalizer presets, and you can create custom ones as well. It also comes with Sony's 360 reality audio and the head tracking feature to provide a nice surround sound effect for an immersive listening experience. These are the premium features, so you will have to go with the paid subscription, but the good part is that Sony is providing a voucher, a coupon code to use these services for free for testing purpose for a while, and if you like them then you can continue your subscription, and if you don't find them interesting or useful to you, then you can just dump the idea. You can also turn on or off the DSEE, that's Sony's digital sound enhancement engine that upscales the audio to provide nice audio experience on low quality audio files. When it comes to audio call, Sony ULT WEAR headphones provide a very nice experience as it comes with voice noise cancelling technology to reduce the ambient noise while making phone calls or using Zoom meeting, WebEx, etc. Overall, the Sony ULT WEAR headphone is a very nice headphone in every aspect. The design and build quality is quite nice, the audio quality is pretty good, and the amount of bass you are going to get is just incredible. So if you are a basshead, you are going to love this headphone for sure. The battery life is also impressive, the noise cancellation is top notch. It comes with fast battery charging capability and some advanced features like 360 reality audio and 360 head tracking. So if you're planning to buy a nice new headphone for yourself, then Sony ULT WEAR is a very nice option, especially if you are a basshead, as I already said so many times. The Sony ULT WEAR headphones will be available in black, white and forest grey color at 849 SAR, that is nearly 225 USD, and considering that the Sony ULT WEAR headphone comes with a very reasonable price tag while providing flagship grade features and audio quality. If you would like to know more about the Sony ULT WEAR headphone, then the link is given in the description of this video, and if you enjoyed watching this one, then give this video a like, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.